Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to PopUp. A flying car may seem like the stuff of sci-fi movies and every child's fantasy, but within the next year, it's going to be a reality. AirCar is a car that turns into an aircraft and takes to the skies. Flying a car can be far more exciting than driving one on the road. In addition to there being no speed limits or traffic jams in the air, there is a feeling of exhilaration that arises from breathtaking views and the unbounded freedom that being above it all brings. 50 years ago, the car was the epitome of freedom. AirCar expands those frontiers by taking us into the next dimension, where road meets sky. Flying car market is expected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2040. Let's look at the top 4 certified futuristic flying cars in this video. Number 4. 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗰𝗸. 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗰, Personal Air and Land Vehicle, is a Dutch company that is involved in the development of a commercial flying car, the 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty. It is a compact two-person aircraft that can travel on public roads. 𝗵𝗲𝗄 hopes to market the world's first production flying car in 2022. Inspired by nature, engineered by man and evolved over time, the 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty is a groundbreaking product that inaugurates the age of the flying car. The 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty is a marriage between safety and fun, designed to satisfy the most demanding customers. On the road, this vehicle will look like a small sports car, albeit one that can transform into a flying machine in a matter of moments. Developed in the Netherlands, the 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty was created in collaboration with Italian design studios. Italy is known for its elegant and slick designs. This is the reason why the 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty is designed in collaboration with Italian design bureaus. Only the most beautiful and refined shapes and colors were used, all in pursuit of perfection in shape. In the last decades, the Netherlands has been recognized worldwide for its breakthroughs in technology and product engineering. Some of the most skillful engineers have put blood, sweat and tears into creating a trailblazing flying car out of a mere fantasy, all in conformity with the highest safety standards. 𝗵𝗲𝗄 uses state-of-the-art proven technology in flying cars. They have partnered with some of the leading manufacturers in the world to guarantee a flying car that meets the aviation standards. This vehicle provides unprecedented flexibility, since it can theoretically take off from any runway. On the road, it can travel up to 160 km per hour and has a range of over 1,300 km. In the air, its cruising speed can also reach 160 km per hour, with flight times reaching an estimated 4 to 5 hours. The 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty runs on unleaded automotive fuel, gasoline. An electric version is currently being studied. The first 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty models on the market will be the limited edition. The limited edition marks the launch of the flying car era. Worldwide, only 90 vehicles of this edition will be sold. After the delivery of the limited edition models, 𝗵𝗲𝗄 will start the delivery of the 𝗵𝗲𝗄 Liberty Sports models. The vehicle is now approved for road use in Europe and will soon be approved in the United States and Australia. It is available for pre-order on the manufacturer's website. It is also undergoing aeronautical certification by the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA. Number 3. Klein Vision AirCar. The Klein Vision AirCar is a two-seat flying car designed by Stefan Klein and made in Slovakia. It was type certified as an aircraft in January 2022. The futuristic craft has been awarded a certificate of airworthiness by the Slovak Transport Authority, moving it one step closer to production. It is one of the first craft of its kind to receive formal certification. To recap, Professor Stefan Klein and his eponymous firm have been working on the AirCar for more than 30 years and have delivered a number of different prototypes to date. The AirCar that achieved the crucial certification milestone, known as Prototype 1, sports a gasoline-powered 1.6-liter BMW engine good for 160 horsepower along with a fixed propeller that gives a little more grunt. The AirCar, designed by Nitra-based Klein Vision, can seat 2 passengers and is capable of flying 600 miles in a single journey, reaching airspeeds of around 190 km per hour and altitudes of over 8,000 feet. It runs on an internal combustion engine, which means it can be fueled at any ordinary gas pump. Featuring retractable wings and a large tail, it automatically transforms from a road-going vehicle into an aircraft in around 2 minutes 15 seconds. The price of the innovation will range between $550,000 to $1.1 million, and will depend based on the features that the model has. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 2, Aeromobil 4.0, the evolution of the supercar is the Aeromobil. Inspired by the mythical winged horse Pegasus, the Aeromobil is the high-end vehicle species equally at home on the road or in the sky, the flying car. The culmination of leading-edge automotive and aerospace design and engineering, advanced materials, luxury features, and impeccable styling, the Aeromobil does what no supercar or private jet can do. The Aeromobil 4.0 incorporates an advanced automotive crash structure made of composite materials. It combines the functionality of a car and an aeroplane in a single flexible platform. Its pedigree includes top automakers BMW, Aston Martin, McLaren, Mercedes-Benz F1 and Ferrari F1, and aerospace leaders Lockheed Martin, Rolls-Royce, Airbus, and Diamond Aircraft, among others. An integrated carbon cradle in the center holds the power unit and includes an attachment point for the wings made of pre-impregnated composites. Each wing includes a wing folding structure and control surfaces with flower flaps for an optimal flying experience. The latest version of Aeromobil has undergone over 10,000 hours of simulated and live flight tests over the course of its development. Test pilots report the Aeromobil to be easy to fly and highly stable in flight. The Aeromobil 4.0 cuts travel time compared to a traditional airline and will also enable users to travel distances of up to 1,000 kilometers more efficiently. The vehicle is installed with latest turbocharging technologies and systems to attain additional power and altitude. The vehicle is built using monocoque construction techniques. The tail surface incorporates flight controls and rear suspension geometry. The ultra-lightweight wheels of the vehicle enable landing on tarmac, concrete or grass. The automotive configuration has a length of 5.9 meters, a width of 2.2 meters and height of 1.5 meters, while the aircraft platform measures 5.8 meters long, 8.8 meters wide and 1.4 meters high. The vehicle can fly at a top speed of 360 kilometers per hour, while the top speed on the road is 160 kilometers per hour. The maximum takeoff weight of the vehicle is 960 kilograms, while the usable load and the fuel capacity are 240 kilograms and 90 liters respectively. The interiors of the vehicle are designed with advanced safety technologies and features such as pyrotechnic seatbelts and dual-stage airbags. The vehicle also incorporates inbuilt vehicle recovery ballistic parachutes to avoid crash landings. The seating positions of the pilot and co-pilot are fixed by distributing the weights in an efficient manner. The adjustable pedal box and main flight or drive controls further enhance comfort and safety. The Aeromobil 4.0 incorporates a unique glass cockpit, which is identical to that of a traditional aircraft. Integrated digital displays in the cockpit will present automotive operation information of the vehicle. The flying car is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system integrating a 2.0 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder boxer internal combustion engine and 2 electric motors. It is powered by a dedicated electric front-wheel drive system, which develops a maximum power of 110 bhp. The engine is coupled to a direct-drive variable pitch propeller through an adaptive transmission during the flight mode. It generates a maximum power of 300 horsepower. The propeller retracts into the fuselage when the vehicle is prepared for driving mode. The flying car features an advanced suspension system equipped with variable modes. The system places wheels at the optimum position for road mode and positions the wheels in the desired position during takeoff and landing, while the wheels are retracted during the flight to reduce drag. Number 1, PopUp. Ital Design and Airbus unveil PopUp, a trailblazing modular ground and air passenger concept vehicle system. PopUp is the first modular, fully electric, zero-emission concept vehicle system designed to relieve traffic congestion in crowded megacities. PopUp envisages a modular system for multimodal transportation that makes full use of both ground and airspace. The feasible concept is the result of Ital Design and Airbus joint reflection on how to address the mobility challenges of megacities achievable for a majority, which has become one of the most pressing issues for commuters in megacities worldwide. With traffic congestion projected to hugely increase by 2030, the companies decided to combine their engineering expertise to tackle how to best achieve a sustainable, modular and multimodal urban mobility system, giving rise to the PopUp concept. PopUp system consists of a 3-layers concept, an artificial intelligence platform that, based on its user knowledge, manages the travel complexity, offering alternative usage scenarios and assuring a seamless travel experience. A vehicle shaped as a passenger capsule designed to be coupled with 2 different and independent electric-propelled modules, the ground module and the air module, and an interface module that dialogues with users in a fully virtual environment. The PopUp vehicle combines the flexibility of a small 2-seater ground vehicle with the freedom and speed of a vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle, thus bridging the automotive and aerospace domains. At the heart of the concept is a capsule, designed to accommodate passengers. This high-tech, monocoque carbon fiber cocoon measures 2.6 meters long, 1.4 meters high, and 1.5 meters wide. The capsule transforms itself into a city car by simply coupling to the ground module, which features a carbon fiber chassis and is battery-powered. For megacity journeys with high congested traffic, the capsule disconnects from the ground module and is carried by a 5 by 4.4 meter air module propelled by 8 counter-rotating rotors. In this configuration, PopUp becomes a urban self-piloted air vehicle, taking advantage of the third dimension to get from A to B efficiently whilst avoiding traffic congestion on the ground. Once passengers reach their destination, the air and ground modules with the capsule autonomously return to dedicated recharge stations to wait for their next customers. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.